Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to your SST class. It's the second video of this week, and today we will start a new chapter. So let us start. Do you know which chapter we are going to start today? It's chapter number 18, People Who Enriched Our Culture. In this chapter, we will know about many people who has done a lot for the society, for the country, okay, for the development of country, for the welfare of society. Okay, among this, many religious leaders are there, many social reformers are there, rulers, scientists, and other people who contributed a lot to make India uh, a, a developing country and to enrich its culture, okay, to make Indian culture. So let us know about some people who has done a lot for our society. First, we will study about religious leaders. As we know that India is a secular country, means many people of many religions live here. The main religion in India are Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Jainism, Buddhism, and Zoroastrianism. These are the main religions of our country, and these all religions are founded by someone. These all religions tells us something. So first we will learn about these religions and the religious leaders. First one is Hinduism. Hinduism is the oldest religion in the world. Okay, the Hindus worship God in three forms: Brahma as a creator, Vishnu, preserver, and Shiva as destroyer. Many books of Hindu are there. Okay, many holy books are there of Hindu, like Vedas, Puran, Bhagavad Gita, Brahma Puran, Vishnu Puran, Mahabharat, Ramayan. These all are the holy book of Hindus. Among all these, Gita, Bhagavad Gita, is considered as the holiest one. Hinduism has produced many saints, okay, like Adi Shankaracharya, Dayanand Saraswati, Ram Krishna Paramhans, Sant Tukaram, and Swami Vivekanand. Many religious leaders are also over there. Second one is Islam. Islam was founded by Prophet Muhammad. He was born in Makkah. That's why Makkah is the holiest place for the people of Islamic religion. He died at Medina. So Medina is also the holiest place of Islamic religion. The followers of Islam is known as Muslims. Prophet Muhammad was born in Makkah. Makkah is a place in Saudi Arabia about 1400 years ago. He preached the need of love, peace, brotherhood among the people. And the holy book of Islam is Quran. This is the Quran. Next religion is Christianity. Christianity was founded by Jesus Christ. He was born in Bethlehem. He taught his followers that all people are brother and sisters as they are the son of, or as they are the children of one God. The Bible is the holy book of Christians. All these holy books teaches us the same thing, love and brotherhood. Either it is Gita or Quran or Bible or any other religious book. The main aim of all these religious books is to teach love and brotherhood among the people. Next religion is Sikhism. Sikhism was founded by Guru Nanak Dev. Here you can see the picture of Guru Nanak Dev, founder of Sikh. He was born in Talwandi in Pakistan. He preached that God is one and all people are his children. Okay, the same thing Jesus Christ has also told, that all the people are children of the same God. And here also in Sikhism, Guru Nanak Dev, he also preached that God is one and all people are his children. There are 10 gurus of Sikhs. The 10th Guru, Guru Govind Singh, who founded Khalsa Panth. Okay, Guru Govind Singh is related to Gurudwara of Patna. Okay, his maternal home is over there. The holy book of Sikhism is Guru Granth Sahib. Okay. Next religion is Jainism. Jainism is believed to have been started by Rishabhs. Okay, the first Tirthankar or the spiritual leader. The religion gained widespread acceptance at the time of Lord Mahavir. Okay, it is told that it is believed that it had been started by Rishabhs, but it was spreaded by Lord Mahavir. Okay, the 24th Tirthankar. The follower of Jainism is known as Tirthankar. Okay, and it was started by first Tirthankar was Rishabhs, or the spiritual leaders. Okay, and the 24th Tirthankar, the 24th spiritual leader was Lord Mahavir. It was spread by him only. He laid stress on right path, right conduct, right knowledge, and ahimsa. Ahimsa means non-violence. The Jains are purely vegetarians. Okay, the people who are associated with Jainism are known as Jains, and they are purely vegetarians. Next religion is Buddhism. Buddhism was founded by Gautam Buddha. He attained the Nirvana under Bodhi tree in Bodh Gaya. Bodh Gaya in Bihar. Okay. He told people to follow the eightfold principle: right thinking, right speech, right living, right knowledge, right action, right effort, right observation, and right meditation. These were the eightfold principles of Buddhism. And the holy book of Buddhism is Dharmapada and Tripitaka. These are the holy books of Buddhism. The next religion is Zoroastrianism. Zoroastrianism was founded by Zoroaster. The follower of Zoroastrianism is known as Parsis. He taught people to be good and fight evil. The Parsis worship in a fire temple. Okay, the place where Parsis worship is known as fire temple. Their holy book is Avesta, and the most important festival is Navroz, which is it's Iranian New Year Day. Navroz is known as Iranian New Year Day. This is all about today's class. In next class, I will explain you about some social reformers. Till then, bye-bye.